Welcome back, folks. So today we're going to see how we can design our loader. The loader is the loading animation that is shown when the demo is loading. You can customize the loader to match your brand so that the consumers of your demo have a consistent experience. So let's go over here and click to upload. I've selected Google Calendar logo image as this is the Google Calendar logo, Google Calendar demo. Here we go. Now let's click on preview. And that is our loader. Thank you, folks. Please stay tuned for further videos.